Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at a product called Sense, which is being sold through Massager Pro. They advertise it as a foot massager designed to provide comforting support for everyday use. According to the site, it gives a soothing, stimulating massage for tired or sensitive feet, offering gentle relaxation and comfort, all in a simple, at-home device that's easy to use. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, let's break it down. First, there's really no evidence that this product works the way it claims. There are virtually no verified customer reviews anywhere except on the website itself, which could easily be fake. Sites like Amazon, Trustpilot, or Google don't have independent reviews for this device. The health claims are also a major concern. Sense promises relief for neuropathy, tingling, numb feet, and general foot pain in just 90 days. These claims are not backed by medical studies, and they could be misleading. The company even states the product is not a medical device, yet the marketing suggests it can provide significant therapeutic benefits. That's a red flag right there. Another issue is transparency. There's no clear information about the company's physical address, who manufactures the device, or whether it meets any regulatory standards. Legitimate medical or therapy products usually have verifiable details, but this one keeps things vague. It's only sold on their website, with no presence on reputable e-commerce platforms. While not every online product needs to be on Amazon, lack of availability elsewhere can be a sign of products that haven't been tested or are trying to avoid scrutiny. The marketing itself can be aggressive. The website pushes urgency with claims like limited stock and offers guarantees that could pressure buyers into quick decisions. Speaking of guarantees, although they offer a 30-day money-back option, new sites often make the refund process slow or complicated, so it might not be easy to claim. Even the website design and copy raise concerns. The content emphasizes benefits heavily, but provides almost no evidence, references, or scientific backing, which is typical of low-quality or scam products. And finally, relying on this device instead of consulting a healthcare professional could be risky. People with foot neuropathy or other conditions might delay proper treatment, thinking a massager can solve their issues. Overall, while Sense promises comfort and relaxation, there are too many red flags to confidently say it's a safe or effective solution. If you're considering it, make sure to do your research and talk to a professional before making any purchase.